welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to make a pancake using these two ingredients, eggs and banana. Now, let's get started. And now this is our banana. We are going to cut this into pieces. Okay. So guys, we are going to mash the banana until magiging malambot siya. Yung napakalambot talaga. Dudurugin pa natin siya hanggang magiging malambot na talaga. This is our banana and it's very smooth now. Napakalambot na talaga. So now, next step, we are going to add the 2 eggs. Here's our 2 eggs now, and then we are going to mix it well. And now, here's our pancake. Ito na yung pancake natin, guys. Prinito ko na. And then, isa pa lang yung nagawa ko. So, tapusin ko lang yung iba. And then, ipapakita ko sa inyo later. Ito na yung ginawa nating pancake.